Welcome back to the Iraqi Dinar Rate channel. Asterisk if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on the Iraqi Dinar, revaluation news, and financial developments impacting Iraq and the world economy. Asterisk Iraqi Dinar steadily recovers, approaching official exchange rate asterisk after a volatile period. Iraq's national currency, the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, is finally gaining ground. The street rate is now closing in on the official rate of 1,320 IQD per US dollar, signaling not just a recovery, but a fundamental economic shift from disorder to discipline. Asterisk, what we're witnessing is the result of decisive government policy, smarter trade practices, and tighter market regulation. No longer do informal black market players set the tone. The Iraqi government is now taking firm control. Asterisk, goodbye, black market. Hello, stability asterisk previously. The Iraqi dinar's value was driven by street demand and unofficial trading. But in the last year, new reforms have reversed that trend. Here's how. Asterisk ban on USD for luxury. High-value local transactions. Asterisk encouragement of dinar use in real estate and retail. Asterisk dollar transactions. Now processed via correspondent banks. Asterisk by reducing reliance on daily central bank auctions. The government has closed loopholes for hoarding and arbitrage, pushing more transactions into official, trackable channels. Asterisk as a result, speculation is being replaced by structure, said Nizam Mohammed Salah, financial advisor to Iraq's prime minister. Asterisk, fresh dollar inflows without the central bank. Asterisk, there's also a shift in how foreign currency is entering Iraq. Some international contractors are now paid in crude oil instead of cash. These companies then sell oil internationally and bring dollars back into Iraq independently, creating a non-CBI-based inflow of foreign currency. Asterisk, meanwhile, Iraq's role as a re-export hub, once a driver of illicit dollar demand, has diminished. With tighter border controls and formal trade rules, shady practices like backdoor reselling to Syria, Iran, and Turkey are on the decline. Street versus official rate gap is shrinking with the demand for physical US dollars dropping. The once huge gap between the official and street rate is closing fast, a symbol of restored confidence in the Iraqi system. Asterisk, according to Manar Al-Abadi of investment firm FFC, dollar demand is down, and trust in the system is coming back. Structural reforms and monetary modernization, asterisk beyond short-term measures. Iraq is rebuilding its economy from the ground up. Key changes include easier access to official rates for small traders, increased use of electronic payments, incentives for dinar-based trade tighter, anti-money laundering enforcement. Asterisk, these steps are creating the foundation for a strong, modern financial system, a prerequisite for any real revaluation of the IQD. Asterisk, tensions with Iran, nuclear talks, and regional defense. Asterisk on the international front. Iran's nuclear program remains a sticking point. The E3 countries, France, Germany, UK are pushing Iran to comply with JCPOA obligations and limit its missile capabilities. Iran, however, remains firm that its missile program is non-negotiable. Asterisk, meanwhile, sources suggest Iran's nuclear capabilities have been set back by at least 1 to 2 years following US and Israeli strikes, giving the region a temporary security buffer. Asterisk, oil output to rise. Iraq's strategic play. Asterisk, OPEC recently confirmed that Iraq will increase oil production to 4.22 million barrels a day by September 2025. This is part of a coordinated move with other major producers like Saudi Arabia and Russia to balance supply amid a rebounding global economy. Asterisk, this production increase comes after prior voluntary cuts and is key to Iraq's monetary reform strategy. Asterisk, why? Asterisk, because 95% of Iraq's national budget depends on oil. More oil means higher USD reserves, lower budget deficit. Asterisk, stronger exchange rate position. CBI's role, exchange rate stabilization in action. Asterisk, the Central Bank of Iraq CBI currently PEGS the dinar at 1,300 IQD per USD, narrowing the gap between the official and market rates. Asterisk, this move, in coordination with the IMF and U.S. Treasury, is a strategic milestone on the path to a revaluation. Measures like controlled dollar supply via currency auctions, asterisk tighter import licensing, asterisk cleaner foreign remittance systems, combating corruption and dollar smuggling, are laying the groundwork for future monetary upgrades. Asterisk, Iraq eyes 6 million barrels day by 2028. Asterisk, if Iraq reaches its target of over 6 million barrels day by 2028 and oil prices hold or rise, annual revenues could soar by tens of billions of dollars. That would boost foreign reserves, enable debt repayment, create space for currency revaluation, not just a rate change, a national shift. Asterisk, the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar isn't just a numeric adjustment. It's a strategic goal rooted in oil-backed financial stability, transparent institutions, asterisk, private sector growth reduction in USD dependence integration with the global financial system asterisk as Iraq continues to reform. The dinar's return to strength. It becomes not only possible but inevitable. Asterisk conclusion. Iraq is ready to lead its own financial future asterisk from cracking down on the black market to raising oil production. Iraq is proving that it's serious about monetary reform. The rising oil output in September 2025 is more than a numbers game, it's a declaration of intent. Asterisk, the 1,300 IQD USD rate is a bridge from the chaos of the past to a stable, credible future. If Iraq maintains this momentum, a revaluation won't be a question of if, but when. Asterisk, so stay tuned, because the dinar's rise has only just begun. Asterisk, let me know if you'd like. Asterisk, a 10,000-word SEO article version of this script YouTube video title suggestions, a thumbnail prompt asterisk trending, hashtags and SEO tags asterisk just say the word.